It's called I Have a Job, Bro, haha.
A mechanic boy.
A mechanic boy. Just building
21 days until the first event. Video overload coming starting tomorrow.
We're mechanic boys.
Just building shit boxes.
Mechanic boys.
Yes.
A singer in a smoky room. The smell of wine and cheap perfume. For a smile they can share the night. It goes on and on and on and on. Streetlights, people, living just to find their motion. Hiding somewhere in the night. Don't stop believing. Hold on to that feeling. Streetlight people.
I'm a mechanic boy.
A mechanic boy.
A mechanic boy. Just building
Mechanic build.
shit boxes.
We build shit boxes. We're mechanic boys.
My wife is not entertained, haha.
And all the girlies say I'm pretty fly for a white girl. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6.
You know it's kinda hard just to get along today. Our subject isn't cool, but he fakes it anyway.
Break.
Max credit cards online. Hit you with the Amazon Prime. Bet you thought of 13 reasons why.
Yes.
A singer in a smoky room. The smell of wine and cheap perfume. For a smile they can share the night. It goes on and on and on and on. Streetlights.
House music.
So all my new age people from probably freaking the older rounder style all the way up to 04. If you have a problem where the ECM will not come online, it will not. No matter which hot battery you got, all the fuses are good. Y'all know what to do. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to probe this black and white wire on your CCRM. I want you to feed it a ground. It's black with a white stripe. Then go check your gauge cluster, because more than likely your PCM is now online. What most people do to solve this problem is they will go up into the harness and cut that wire and ground that to the frame, and it will knock out all the ground related issues to your CCRM. One jump box, one set of battery cable cutters to use as a hammer because I don't know where I put my fucking hammer, one power probe, and a shitload of PB blaster later. And I think I've woken up the starter. It would not spin at all before. It was locked up, but I think this motherfucking car wants to be alive, and we're gonna give it a chance to, and it's risky. Starter sound like shit, but if it could work for a couple times just to hear the engine run, I'll be happy today. Alright, I don't know if this is gonna work. I don't exactly have a battery tray. I don't exactly have a place to even hook a battery up to the car right now. So we're gonna try with the jump box. Starter's in, fuel pump is working. Power. It might work, it might not. Who fucking knows? But I'm ready to hear the pitch, so we're gonna try. No cats, no exhaust. It's just straight manifolds. I hope this is good enough. Maybe I need to put a ground to the motor. Hoping that the engine mount will be enough, but I don't think they are. Let's find a good spot to put a ground right now. Temporary. Battery pack. Yeah, I'm just gonna record this whole thing because fuck it, why not? If this don't work, then my starter wire is not working. Alright, got a good ground, got a good hot going down there to the starter. Is it anything else? No. Got power inside the fan. It's been 6 years since this thing started. Ignition switch is working, but for some reason I'm not getting power out of the starter. This wire is the starter wire. So let's do some crazy shit live in front of an audience. Pull this out and I'll just power probe this and see if it's been open. Where is it? Well, she spins over. I have not drank hot fuel fuel. It's still the old method fuel. So, it is what it is. Now, I have flashed the ECU to turn off the patch because somebody lost my key. Key who shall not be named. Alright, to be continued. I gotta figure out what the fuck's going on. It might be my anti-theft shit. Might have to hook the computer back up to it and flash it again and turn off the patch, but fucking spinning over. Set for 6 years, so if nothing else, at least I'm building oil pressure. Yeah, I'll be back. All right, let me set this thing back up where you can see. That's pretty good. All right, so I realized I didn't hook the crank sensor back up. That's probably what the problem was. I'm probably fuel pump some more and it goes in the shop. It's kind of scary, but it is what it is. It's probably gonna be really fucking loud. I'm tempted. You know what? Nah, I don't want to put my headphones on. Oh shit! Yeah, that's what it was. Stupid ass. Woo! I can't believe it's running on 6-year-old fuel, but that bitch is running!
I need 10,000 people to donate $2 and I'll write your name on the car.
Cut my car into pieces. I'll build it how I want. Got the rules, I ain't reading. I don't care that I'm.
Well, I was going to tack the tubular front 10 kit up today, but realized I'm missing many pieces marked with a red lining. The fourth photo. Calling them in the morning.
You are watching a master at work.